हेलो बच्चों, let us read the question. If we have two similar looking bars, one of which is a magnet and other is a bar of iron, how we will distinguish between the two by using these two bars? We cannot suspend them in a Earth's magnetic field. So, in the question, we are given bar B1 and other one is bar B2. Both of them are same looking. We need to find out which one is a magnet bar and which one is the iron bar. So the key concept involved here is the properties of magnet and iron bar. This is the key concept. But before writing the properties of magnet and iron bar, let us conduct an experiment. In this experiment, we have kept one bar horizontally and the other bar is kept one bar horizontally and other bar is kept for the first time on the one extreme and next time at the middle and the third last time on the other extreme of the bar. So this is if this is bar B1 and this is bar B2 which is kept on different positions. Let us assume the force of attraction between B1 and B2 is F1 in the first case. In the second case it is F2 and in the third case it is F3. So now let us write the properties. What is the property? If we keep magnet bar horizontally and the iron bar is kept one by one in these three positions, then the force of attraction F1, F2 and F3, then the force of attraction F1 will be equal to F3, whereas the F2 will be equal to 0. Why? Because in the magnet, one side is the north pole and other one is the south pole, and the poles experience the maximum force of attraction because of the magnetic field is maximum on the poles. Therefore, the iron bar experiences maximum force of attraction at the poles and it will be equal in both the situation, whereas if the iron bar is kept at the middle of it, it will experience no force of attraction and the force of attraction will be equal to 0. And in the second case, if we keep the iron bar horizontally and the magnet bar is kept vertically, then in this case the force of attraction F1 will be equal to F2 will be equal to F3. Why? Because one of pole, it may be north pole or the south pole, in all the three cases will be nearest to the iron bar. Therefore the force of attraction will be equal in all the three equations, in all the three situations. Now let us see what we have observed in the experiment. If in the experiment we have observed that the force of F1 equal to F2 equal to F3, in this case the bar B1 will be the iron bar and the B2 will be magnet bar. If F1 equal to F3 and F2 is equal to 0, in such case B1 is the magnet bar whereas B2 is the iron bar. Therefore, final answer is we can find out which bar is of magnet and which one is of iron by the above experiment. Thank you so much.